So in this segment of the video, I'm going to be showing you how to actually add the Baseus WM03 to the Baseus app. So over here I have with me is actually the iPhone 12 mini. The app actually works fully on both iOS and Android platform. So I'll go into the app. You'll see here it says add manually, or it can say searching for device. Flip open the lid, and instantly you will see WM03 pop up. Tap on it, and you will see add device. It says add device, and you'll see it's spinning. After a while it says added successfully, and you will see it being highlighted here. Go in, and instantly you actually see the menu here. It says the name Bowie WM03. This is actually the locating of the earbuds. If you're not really sure where you put it up, you can tap on that. You can call left or right earbud. You can find that, and then there will be a sound playing out from the earbuds. They'll get louder and louder. Right, so this is the main page of the earbud. In the app, you'll see an image of the earbuds itself, battery life on the left, battery life of the right earbud, and the casing as well. Okay. Besides that, below that you have actually several more options, several more sub-menu. There's the spatial acoustic, EQ mode. You also have gesture setting, and you have low latency. Let's start with the spatial acoustics. You tap on that, and you will see 3 additional menu. Normal mode, which is non-spatial acoustic. Music mode, it has open spatial acoustics. And then there's a gaming mode, which will actually have the position discrimination by listening, the EQ. Alright, so there's like 3, 6, 9, 12 different settings, presets which you can use. And if you want to customize, it's below here. And you can start to do your own EQ setting, your own liking, and you'll save. Anytime you want to go back, you can just head in and just change accordingly. I'll just switch it back to classic or original. And then there's a low latency mode, and then when you turn it on, there'll be a triple beep. So when you off the low latency mode, there'll be a double beep, a beep beep. Alright, so that you know which mode you're on. Gesture setting, as you know, you can change how you want things to be like. Here, double click. Then over here can be previous, pause or what. Okay. And then this one can be, yeah. Set it up. Then here again, you can change the name if you want to in the app. Version, you're at the latest version, it says here. Version 0.0.19. Okay, product description. You need help and feedback. The menu is all inside here. If you lost your earbud, you need it to be located. So this is actually how the menu will look like within the Baseus app of the WM03.